Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We all must have hearts that melt on hearing about the grief and sorrows of other people. We need warm hearts and compassionate souls. This warmth and compassion is already found within us. However, it is lulled to sleep because of the hectic life routines that we generally tend to follow every day. Hearts have become hard, and emotions have become cold, and feelings have gone dead. We need to awaken the sympathy and compassion found within us. So, what can be done? We can use three faculties for this purpose, in fact: the listening faculty, the reading faculty, and the observing faculty. Thus, we can listen, read, and visit places where people are in misery. This is like going through a workshop to melt our hearts. Listening to people in distress melts our hearts and rekindles in us the sentiments of helping other people. Reading about the miseries of people in everyday news boosts our inner compassion. Visiting old homes, hospitals, hospices, and slums provides a natural impetus to the sympathy found within us. Hopefully, these measures will melt our hearts and soften our souls. Let us make a concerted effort to train our hearts to melt when they see others in misery.